peer pressure in positive way, it will only work when you have the intention to bring changes in your life. As you illustrated about students, they are very good. We can associate ourselves with them, and we can also enhance the performance in our education and study. It will only happen when you try to change something in yourself or in your life. You want to study, then it will only happen. Otherwise, you would not like to be belonging to that group. It requires a lot of efforts and the hard work. It is very tough. Because if I do not smoke, right, if I do have the intention to belong to that particular group, I would like to do all the possible things which are being done by them. Otherwise, study is quite a boring task, and most of us, we don't want to study, so we will cut ourselves down from that group. Like from the entertainment point of view, peer pressure that works a lot, and from where the required of the hard work, like we cut ourselves away from that work only. It mostly happen in the study. If you want to study, if you want to be a good student, you don't have the company. So when you get the company, fortunately, so it can bring the positive changes in your life. Otherwise, like you got the company of the friends, they are studious, you would not like to join them, because there are more efforts which are required to be put from your side. It is not that easy to bring some positive changes from the peer pressure. Therefore, negative people you will find in large amount. They have the group, they have the company, and they enjoy the company. Hours and hours, they talk about the situation, about the people, but they do not talk about the ideas. There are very small fractions of people that does it. Otherwise, most of us, we are not interested in doing this. So peer pressure can also influence you positively when you want to have some positive changes. Otherwise, if you are not aware of it, it will shift you toward the negative peer pressure.
Some kind of positive peer pressure are not effect on us, just like study. We are not, study is not interested task, and we are not interested to study. We are talking about the study. So study is very boring. If you are studious, so you are not joining this kind of this kind of society. Just like in this society, they are just, we are taking example, they are two kind of society. One are just enjoying their life, and second one are just focusing on their future. When you are thinking of that, if you want to join the focusing on future, so they are not talking about the entertainment thing. They are not enjoying their life. They are just always thinking about that studies, and most of the study material always focus about career and many kinds of things. So it is not interested, but mostly student and many people love to enjoy their life. They love to spend their spare time with their pet. But if you join the bad community, so it just always it give you the entertainment, how to smoke, how to take alcohol. So bad thing affect on human very very fastly, and many bad effects. If your friend is smoking, so it effect on you, that how smoke tastes, and it's interested, and its effect on you and your mind. So you want to try, and your friend focusing on you, just try first time, this is just normal and whatever. And tobacco and alcohol, smoking in bad community, you always see that they are just forcing you on bad sides, and its effect on you very fastly. Bad thing effect on you very fastly.
Friends can influence everything from what kind of music they listen to what they wear, and how they talk. And as your child grow, their peer pressure will always be greater role in their life. And peer pressure about your brain. Many salesmen use their technique to individual influence people to buy their product. And and sometimes its effect is positive and sometimes its effect is negative. And I'm talking about negative peer pressure. So pupil will become a victim of depression, and it lends a negative effect on the mind. Sometimes is good, but every time is not good, because people keep listening to everyone every time, so they will not be success.
According according to me, if you are a good student, if you are a topper in your class, so some classmates are jealous you. They were always they were always try to going to wrong side. They always force you go to wrong side.
Many times you don't want to do such things, but because of peer pressure you have to do it. Doing something which is out of the crowd, like if your idea is different from the others, it is very difficult to do such things because society pulls you down, and they do not let you to do something new and creative. But doing something new and creative is difficult, but if you do that things, you will become odd for the society. But if you do which is different, you will become successful, and you will enjoy your life very peacefully, because doing something which all of doing is ordinary thing, and you will not enjoy that thing. So I think do whatever you want to do, don't listen the society what is saying, because if you start doing something different, then society will laugh on you, they mock you, so you will become a victim of depression and bad things. You lose your belief, confidence on yourself, so it is very difficult.
Peer pressure is not only comes from your friends, it will come from the society and the parents too. When your parents are asking question about your studies and whatever you will do, it will lose your confidence and you will go in depression. And sometimes the teenagers are also thought about suicide. They commit suicide.
Peer pressure also come from the society, also from parents. It's also affect on student a lot, because if we are talking about that, if a student is weak in study and either his friend is very intelligent in his study, so the parents force them to study just like him, just like them, but he is unable to study, but he is interested in another activity just like sports and dancing, and but parents are not allowed, because they think that this is just this is hopeless for your future, and this is useless for you, just like this is just wasting your time, but they are not thinking about that what he and she is interested in. And many kinds of peer pressure, just like if a boy is interested in cooking, so the society tell you are a boy, this kind of thing is not suit on your personality. And if a boy is very good in this kind of thing, those are girls doing, and the society force them to do, just stop this kind of thing. So boy and girls are going in depression, so they are committing suicide. And not only this kind of thing, also marriage force are also increasing after 28. It's happened because the age is increasing, and if you are interested to focus on your career, but the society force you for marriage, but you are not interested to do marry, you want to just settle on your career, and many kinds of things.
The biggest peer pressure on the teenagers is choosing a subject after the 10th, as she said. So many times parents force you to choose maths or science, which is very common, and they think that this is the subject which give you a better life in future. But I think that there is nothing like that. Every subject has its own importance. If you choose commerce, it will give you the same respect in the society, because every field and career have the importance. So to like nowadays many boys choose the career of makeup artist, which is very famous. Making a career in makeup artist, it is not a bad thing, but society think that it is not of your work, girls do makeup, something like that. But I think that's his own personal views to choose the career. So peer pressure is negative sometimes.
To let ourselves not be affected by the outsider noise is a big thing.
Yes.
Because most of the time we are more concerned about what other thinks about ourselves. It is just like giving our remote control to others, as our emotions are triggered the way they think about us. So like having a self control is a big thing, and we should practice that. It will not come in 1 or 2 days, but controlling the emotion, this is the best thing, and everybody should learn it. Otherwise you'll be like a dumb driven cattle, right? People will come and will play with your emotions. This happens because we are not rational being, we are emotional being. Most of the decisions that we take in our life, small to big decisions, we take by getting influenced by our emotions. Logically we are not taking any actions, the major actions of our life. Most of the actions which are coming from the emotional side of us. As she said, promoters, advertisers, producers, they are coming with different advertisement. Fair and Lovely is what? Playing with emotions,
Yes.
right? So by getting pressurized by the outsider noises, right, we are more inclined toward what people think about ourselves. Rather more you should think what do you think about ourselves. But the problem, we cannot think like this because we do not spend our quality time with ourselves. We do not talk to ourselves. We have mobile phones, we talk to a number of people, we talk to the world, we are interacting at the regular basis. Every 2 minutes, every 3 minutes, we are checking our notification. What is your inner side or inner soul is telling you, don't listen to that. So it is also very important to just talk to yourself, to know yourself, right? What is your emotions and how do you feel when people they say something to you? So it is also very important. When you become mature, when you experience the life, so outsider noise that doesn't matter to you a lot. So educating ourselves in terms of managing our emotions, this is the biggest thing in the life. Otherwise, like you'll be getting affected what people think about you, and most of the time people they do not have a very good thinking about you.
According to me, we can't said that the parents are responsible for peer pressure, because we are also responsible for that, because at present we all the teenagers and youngsters are busy in their phone, in Instagram and all these social media platforms, but they don't give some time to talk their parents and to express their feeling in front of their parents. And the parents are also responsible for that, because they are busy in their life to make the money. But we can't say that the parents are responsible, because it is going on from generation to generation. So whatever they experience in their life, in their past, they express these things in front of their children. So we can't say that parents are also responsible for it.
Sometimes girl want to go outside for education, but society says she is allowed to go to outside. She does not go to outside. This is a wrong thing for society.
Indian parents tend to think that their children should be choose good subject in their studies and they will get good job. After that, for boys, after the age of 25, he should get married, and for girls, after the age of 21 or 22, she should get married. But they don't think about what their children want to do. It's because of society, their standard to show off their children's. Parents sometimes don't understand the feelings of the children, what they want to do. So I think nowadays it is the biggest peer pressure on the teenagers to follow their passion.
I think the age factor is also mislead, because we think we have thinking. If anybody who is elderly has known or experienced many things in life, he'll be making a right decision. See, your right decision leads you to success. If you are successful, doesn't mean you're making a right decision always. Age sometime may be bigger, right? But the experience is something where most of the people they fail making the right choice. Early marriages, right? Education to the girl. See, girls' educations, I often just interact with the students. So the education of the girl in most of the terms it is compromised because when girl come after 8 o'clock, right? People are not saying to you anything. They're going to your parents and telling them many things, many insecurities that may strike their mind. So this also happens when parents and when elders they are educated enough and when they are sensible enough, then it is not a problem for the education of girl. But this mostly you will see at the backward areas or the underdeveloped places. Girls' education is compromised. After 12th class, they parents they plan to marry the girl with somebody else. What about their career? What about their future? They are not worried about it because society has decided a number in terms of age. Up to reaching this age, you should be this, you should be that, and after 2 years of marriage, you should have babies and this and that. So this is the template which is being constructed by society. So if you run through your life by this, so surely you may ruin your life. Either you should not have dreams. If you have dreams and if you want to accomplish it, so you must not listen to the people many times. Yes, people they have positively observed their life, so you should listen to them. But most of the time we don't get these outstanding people. They can come to us and we can go to them and they can suggest us a good thing in life. They are not there, neither in our family nor outside.
Because of peer pressure you started behaving like what people like. If you are a girl you wear shorts and the other people say you are looking very beautiful, so even if you don't comfortable in these clothes and so many things you wear and you behave like that because of peer pressure, because people like what you do. So it is also a bad thing. And the other thing is, if you are belong to a other gender, so in India it is very difficult to live a life happily because of society. They ruin your life. They mock you, they judge you by everything, by a complex, by a height. So being a people of other gender is very difficult. And but nowadays government made many laws to for that type of people, so they can live their life normally. But society is not accepting that thing. They have the bad mentality and they are behaving like they are not a human. They behave with them like they are animals, and we can do anything with them people. So in India we have to change the mentality that every people has their own importance. Whatever he is or she is, he has to live his or her life happy.
According to me, peer pressure is happened not only it's happened because of acceptors, because why we are accepting peer pressure on the from the others. We want to do something different, so we should only focus on our whatever we want to do. We don't think about the others, what they say and what they think. We talk about the today's people. Today's people jealous to everyone, because I talk about the today's teenagers. others. They only think about ourselves. They don't think to others what they say and what their talk affect others' mind.
They don't focus on others, what they are saying, what they are. It is not possible. We can't ignore this kind of thing, that if your parents saying to you that this subject and this society is very good, but you think that they are experienced, you have to choose this kind of society, but it's not happen. It's not good for you, because you think that your parents are experienced, they are always teach you a good thing, but if your parents don't know about that, what you are thinking about your future, and which kind of society you want to join, and many kinds of things. Because of peer pressure, you did the wrong. You choose the wrong subject because your parents. It's happened mostly it's happened because your parents teach you that this subject helping this stream, but when you started studying, you think about that you are not comfortable in this kind of subject. It's just spoil your future because of your parents, because of society, because of your friends, and always after some time you feel that you choose the wrong because of the society.
But your parents only think about yourself, so they don't pressurize you. So you do that, you do that.
No, it's not happen. Your parents always pressure you. If you are a boy, they always pressure you to choose the math and biology. But it's happened, and also the sound is also happened that what you choose, commerce, or it's not a good subject. It's a weak subject. But they don't think about that which kind of stream commerce give you. But just like sound also affect that you take biology, you are intelligent, but they don't think about what you are studying, what you are doing in biology. If you are getting fail in biology, they are thinking about that this is very tough subject, so it's normal to fail in biology. If you are fail in arts, so they think about that this is very easy subject, how can you fail in this subject? It's happened.
People have made their mentality like this,
For
that
this kind of subject, yes.
Most time it happens, but I see the most of parents, they only think about their child, and they only said whatever you want to do, so you can.
but when your parents support you, the society will pulls you down.
We talk about the society, so it's the duty of society. They only think about ourselves, they don't think about others.
But it's also मतलब pressure your mind, because if you are coming at 8 o'clock, this society said that this is a girl, how can you drop your girl to this kind of tuition?
And when you don't listen your elders and the society, they told you that you have an attitude, you don't listen to anyone, you just do whatever you want to do. You have to listen the elders because they are experienced, and they think what they think about you, it is good for you, but not always it is good for you. It will give you the bad things in your life.
Also, because of peer pressure, you are just playing with your future, and in the last you get nothing.
According to me, as you said that if parents in your favor, but the society force the parents.
Yes.
According to me, if your parents are in your support, then you don't have to listen anyone, because the most beautiful thing is that your parents in your support, and it is very big thing, because after experience after experience their life, they give you support. They give you support. So the things that are coming from the society, it is not according to me necessary to listen to the society, because if your parents are supporting you, it is big thing than the pressure of the society. Whatever would you like to do, you do if your parents are in your support.
But the question here is why parents they don't support the children when they are making a right choice in their life? why they are not supporting? Because they have fear of outsider. They have to live in a particular area where they have their self-respect, reputation. So they avoid this all to be saved themselves, right,
So
from this mess up.
So sometimes they are feared because they see many examples that the many children choose their career by their own taking their decisions, and sometimes they fail in that. So the parents have also the fear if he choose his own, if he take his own decision in his career or her career, if he get failed, so then what he done in life, what happened in the last.
Their fear is quite fair because they are doing everything for you. They do not want to see you in the trouble. Secondly, I just want to shift myself toward the relationship issues and the love marriage issues, where the parents they are highly conservative listening to their children. They do not allow the children to talk with them freely. And many times this happens when it comes to giving the dowry and taking the dowry. It may or may not be a decision of the parents. It may be a decision of the relatives or the outsider, because they want to maintain their dignity in the society. Overspending in the marriages, this is also a big cause. Many times people, they are taking loans and they are struggling in repaying back these loans. So this is all is coming from what people will think. Log kya kahenge. So this is the biggest issue. And secondly, I just want to talk about the widow cases, divorce and remarriage. Right? If any lady, she is 25 or 30 years old and her husband unfortunately is lost, right? Has been lost. So what next? Just to keep that girl into the home, just to maintain the dignity of their family and their generations, because no one has done remarriage after that. So like leaving the girls and allow that girl to remarriage and go somewhere else to live happily. So we are caging. So sometimes parents are found to be very conservative in that cases, and especially that happen in the case of the love marriage. Parents, they want to see you happy. When you are happy, they will always be happy. But they don't understand at the heat of the moment, they think about the society. They want to allow you, but they cannot allow you just because of they will have to face people, and the people, they have negative things to say to them. So they connect this issue with their reputation. So in many cases, you see most of the marriages after marriage, they convert into the divorce. So getting merged with the wrong person, it also happen because of the family issue. Early marriage also, that's the issue. When we go and see the face of the backward side of our India, so where the girls before getting matured, like the decisive age for the girl to be married is 18 years.
Yes.
And you see still the girls are getting married in 14 years, 15 years. It is still happening because what people think, education is compromised, their life is compromised. What they think is doesn't matter to them. What matters to them is if she is 14 and 15. So people in the villages, they are still mentally living in the era before 300 years, right? Earlier that happened, the time was different, but the time is different today. Boys are expected to be working, boys are expected to be being brave, and they cannot cry because they are boy. Everybody has emotions, and these emotions are triggered. Boys have a lot of pressure of making the career. They have pressure to get the government job.
Yes.
And the girls are not influenced and motivated and encouraged to make their career. So they are not taught how to think about their career, which is boys are getting taught, right? So this is a quite partial thinking of the parents. Both should be working. Girls are out in the family, it's a big issue. So parents, relative, they need big heart to send the girls outside for a study and job. But in most of the cases, if it is not happening, so it is quite embarrassing.
Yes, society make a package in marriages. Society make a package like,
Yes.
like if a boy is doing government job, so his marriage come under 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs, and if he is doing a business, then his marriage will take amount of 20 lakhs. Like, so this is a business like something society had made. And if a man lost his wife, then they can be married again, but if a woman lost his husband, they cannot be married. And and sometimes if family marriage, the woman second marriage, then their children will not be acceptable. So
This is the main reason why most of the girls, they are newly married, and because of just saving the integrity of the parents and the family, they are tolerating the torture is called domestic violence.
Yes.
So this is happening. The girls are not uttering a single word from their mouth because they just want to think about the integrity or the reputation of the family. But how much she is tolerating, it is just the compromise with the personal means self-respect of them. Therefore, the girls are having to live in the same family, although they are educated, but they are not allowed to go outside to work, and the boy is suppressing the girls, and along with the boys and their in-laws are also suppressing. Earlier this thing used to be happen, but now the responsibility of the parent that goes to educate the girls and to let them fly into the sky, just provide them the space where they can maintain their career as well. So working women, they are very good today, and you know what the thing that can change the girl's life completely is their education.
Yes.
So their education should not be compromised in anyhow. You can compromise in buying the clothes, spend less in that. You can compromise in many things in the lifestyle, but you should not compromise in education. And parents should also need to understand in the changing time.
in a relationship, if a boy or girl both are doing job and making money, so it will a successful relationship for them, and you can spend anything anywhere where you want to do. And if in a relationship only a man doing job, so you have to think about the maintenance of everything. You have to save money for this and that. And if being a girl, woman is doing job, she don't have to think about anything. She can do whatever she want to do. So being educated and doing a job is very grateful for a woman and a girl.
Some bad habits are also coming within us because of we follow the wrong people. Smoking, drinking, it is common, like you're not spending money on yourself to learn smoking.
Yes.
They are your friends coming to you and offering you the things. So bad habits are also caused because of the wrong company.
Yes,
Yes.
but it's happened from the side of acceptance. Why we are and we sit with our friends, so they are smoker, they are drinker, so they offering us to drink for drinking. So why we are interested towards.
I think we do not have a strong moral principle.
Yes.
If no means no. The problem with us, we want to be good for each and everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes being bad, being rude is also fine. If somebody is manipulating you to drink, then only you'll be considered a person to sit in that community. You just need to kick out that company, right? If you're being forced and you're being pressurized to do any wrong thing, today they are pressurizing you to smoke, and tomorrow they will pressurize you to tease girl,
Yes.
and later on they will pressurize you to molest the girl or even like sexually hurting the girls. This will also happen.
Yes.
So the things are starting from the wrong company of the friends.
People are very much attracted to bad things, but they will not attract very soon to good things. So I think we should live our life however we want to live, but we should make a balance in our studies and in our dreams. So I think we should get attracted to the good company studies, but we should think about what we want to do.
drinking, smoking, and taking drugs is a trend nowadays. If you not smoking, then your friends and people say you are a kid, you are not enjoying your life, you are silly, that type of thing. So then you started thinking like I should also try this and that. So it is also a bad peer pressure for you. It will make your life bad, and your future will become unsuccessful. And for that you have to make your mind strong. You have to be emotionally strong to say no for that type of things. And your friend circle should be good, and you should concentrate on your future. So making decision for yourself is very important.
According to me, as we all said that it is come from the joining the bad community. So according to me, it is not only come from the bad community, it is also coming from ourselves. At present, we see that every small to big child have a phone, and he or she operating the phone, but she or he don't know the right way to operate the phone. Many things in the phone, on the social media's platform, the children watching, which is not related to their age. So it is also come from the social media, not only from the joining the bad community.
According to me, we want to live in this society, so we accept the bad things and we accept the good things.
Some people are forcing you. Some people are forcing you to add things, bad things, and even if we are think that it is very difficult how we can decide this chance. So it isn't. We are just saying no. We are not cheating and bunking the class.
Whatever you do, whether it is good or bad, but people definitely talk about it. What will people say? It is a very big disease. Whether you are working good or bad, but people thinking always negatively, and we spend our lives thinking what will people say.